Yesterday, something unbelievably ironic happened. Anthropic, a $380 billion startup built on AI safety, a company that advocates for closed source systems for the good of humanity, accidentally leaked the full source code of Claude Code to the internet. Yes, the safety-first closed source champion just open sourced itself. By mistake, at 4 a.m., a security researcher, Jiao Fanshaw, discovered that version, the 1st of February 88, of Claude Code's NPM package shipped with a 57 megabyte source map file, the one thing you never include in production. The file that conveniently contains your entire readable code base, over 500,000 lines of TypeScript. Within minutes, it spread across the internet like wildfire. Anthropic's legal team rushed to issue DMCA, but by the time San Francisco woke up, the code had already been mirrored, cloned, and immortalized. The internet doesn't forget, and of course the open source community did what it does best, move fast. Someone used OpenAI Codex to translate the leaked TypeScript into Python, creating a new project called Claude Code. It instantly became one of the fastest repos ever to hit 50,000 GitHub stars. Then someone else forked it again and made it more. Now we have open. Actually, at this point, the ecosystem didn't just react, it evolved. So how did this even happen? Apparently, the leak came from a source map accidentally included in an NPM release. Normally, build tools strip these out automatically, but Claude Code is built on Boon.js, which Anthropic recently acquired. And just 3 weeks ago, someone filed a GitHub issue about bun-serving source maps in production. If that's the cause, then yes, the fastest JavaScript runtime might also be the fastest way to leak your entire code base. But let's get to the interesting part. What did we actually learn? First, Claude uses Axios, which is hilarious timing, because Axios was reportedly compromised just a day earlier. If that vulnerability reached production systems, that's a much bigger problem than a code leak. Second, Claude Code is not magic. It's essentially a very elaborate prompt pipeline. Instead of a simple system prompt plus user input, it runs through about 11 structured steps, dynamically assembling instructions before sending them to the model. In other words, it's a prompt sandwich with a lot of layers. And those layers, they're packed with hard-coded instructions, page after page of please behave, don't do anything weird, and follow these rules. Which is ironic, because if your entire strategy is hard-coded prompts, leaking them basically hands your competitors the blueprint, which is exactly what happened. Even funnier, Anthropic tried to prevent this. They implemented antidistillation poison pills. The model would pretend certain tools exist when they actually don't. So if someone trained a competing model on Claude's outputs, it would learn incorrect behaviors and fail. Except now, we know the real tools. There are only about 25 of them, and the most important one might be the bash tool, which contains over 1,000 lines dedicated to safely parsing and executing shell commands. That's not futuristic AI, that's careful engineering. Another feature, undercover mode. This tells Claude to avoid mentioning itself in outputs or commit messages, essentially making its work look human. Officially, it's to prevent internal leaks. Unofficially, it raises some eyebrows. Then there's the frustration detector, a state-of-the-art AI system using reject. Yes, simple keyword matching to detect if users are getting annoyed. If it sees certain words, it logs an event. That's it. So what does all this tell us? Claude isn't some alien superintelligence. It's a combination of structured prompts, guardrails, tooling, and a lot of glue code plus an absurd number of comments, more comments than most human-written code, which suggests something interesting. The code isn't just for humans. It's written for the AI itself, helping it understand, extend, and potentially rewrite its own system, an infinite loop of AI building AI tools. But the biggest leak isn't the code. It's the roadmap. Hidden behind feature flags are names like Buddy, a customizable AI companion, Opus 4.7, a future model iteration, Capiara, possibly a new flagship model, Ultraplan Coordinator mode, Daemon mode, and then there's Chief, a Greek term meaning the exact divine moment in time. Ironically, Anthropic didn't get to choose that moment. The internet did. Chias appears to be a background agent, something that runs continuously, keeps a journal, schedules, tasks, and even enters a dream mode to consolidate memory. Basically, an always-on AI assistant that works while you sleep. Pretty ambitious. But now everyone knows about it, and that's the real damage. Not just the leak itself, but the loss of secrecy. Because EI, your advantage isn't just your model, it's how you use it. And Anthropic just showed the world exactly how they do. All because of one NPM publish